Alright, so we've got 3 C10s and a deadbolt out here already. I was just out here earlier today running. And now we've got my nephew and his kids. Heads up, Hunter. Hey, Hunter.
Yeah.
Heads up.
Me and yours kind of look alike.
Uh-huh. Yours is just a lot cleaner than mine.
Yeah, that's still make a difference. I got stuck in a hole. Stop running into walls.
I'm coming, man. Oh, I was going to try to help you.
Can't help me.
Nope, not going to be able to. Cool.
Bentley, I gotta wait for Dad. Hunter, I'm not stuck. I just gotta wait for Dad. Never mind, I am stuck. Here. Come on! I literally just helped you.
Mine will be able to go over some stuff like that. I don't know that I cleared that one. But there are some things that because of the suspension I have on mine. Oh, I turtled. Thank you, Ben.
I just got stuck on a rock. I bet none of us can do that.
The only reason why mine
Which
get
one?
up that high.
That one back.
The only reason why mine gets up that high is because I've got his
Come
deadbolt
on.
tires on mine.
I gotta leave the.
There you go.
Well, the weed is still stuck with me. No, Bentley, no. No, I got it. You made it, but you fell.
Okay, so we need something to get off of the other end.
Hey, Bentley. You know what would be cool? You know
I
what would
wasn't
be
even
cool
trying
if we put some like tunnels around and stuff? Adam.
Have you seen the tires I've got on this? All the lugs on the sides of them? It gives it a lot of side bite. It allows me to flip it up. I like if I go on normal stuff, I can't flip it up like that. So the rock you're on, this big one and that big one, I think maybe from the pile your mom was talking about. Maybe this one right here too. But that'd be about it that I can think of. That'd be from, because I have that one and that one in one bag. I had that one and a little one that I picked up out of the middle in a bag, and then that big one I had in a bag all on its own.
Hey, Adam. I feel like yours and Honey's are gonna look exactly the same except about the rain. Except one is more dirtier and one has a sticker.
I've got a couple stickers on mine.
Hey.
Oh, oh.
That was colliding.
HOG.
They chose me to be stuck on
Hand
a
of
rock.
God.
You gonna help me, Bill? Never mind, you can't help.
Yeah, I'm coming.
Hey, I'm just stuck on a rock.
They just stand right in the way.
Hey. Can I get your foot off that rock?
Is this decent so far?
Yeah.
I'm actually thinking it doesn't need a lot more as far as.
Don't worry about it.
It's like it'd be nice to have like bridges and stuff or something.
Right.
Like maybe I should look at building
Can you help
something.
me out, man?
I don't know if I can.
No, I'm still on that rock.
No, try it. Oh, never mind.
There's way too stuck on that rock.
I really rolled mine over.
I'm stuck on a rock that's not that big.
Hold on, I'm not done. Ha ha!
One tiny puny rock is getting in my way.
Oh, this is where I need my height clearance. Ah,
Help
turtled.
me.
I need someone to give me a push. No, not the hand. I want Chuck to do it. There we go.
Yep, I can't do it. Ah! Oh. Now we just have to keep building.
Yeah. Oh, we had him.
I got him for a second. Ellie, stop trying to drive. It's only making it worse. This turned into a flipping second. Here we go. Got him. I'm a flipping me. You know I flipped you. Don't turtle me. Don't turtle me.
Your dad's got it. Oh, maybe not.
You get turtled, you fall.
My bumper's too high. I can't get him from this angle. You can't get him from the wheel side, Connor.
You may have to try to get yourself upright, Ben. Keep driving. Oh, 24 demolition derby. Hey, we got him.
Yeah! That's basically what happened here. You can like still 40.
Yeah.
I'm all wrong for the 44 scale demolition derby because I'll drive over everybody.
I flipped Bentley over. No, I flipped myself. Bentley, I flipped you over.
Oh, I'm stuck.
We're stuck and we're all on our side.
Adding wings, I guess.
I'm trying to help you out.
Now we just gotta get Bentley out. And then we can get that out.
Hunter's hung up on Bentley now.
I'll get him unstuck.
I'm good. Don't worry, I got myself.
There we go.
I can take care of myself.
Okay, now if you get out of the way, I could try to hit Ben and push him back over. Oh. You got that one. Hold on.
Help, help.
Hold on, Ben. I flip him over and I'll flip him back.
Wait, did me and you both flip at the same time?
Yeah. Okay, this isn't a 124 scale wreck fest. It's 124 scale flip fest.
Well, I can't flip him.
That's because you're hitting me on the wheel side. You got to hit the body side.
I'm trying to.
You were on the wrong side to be trying.
Well, I can't move because you keep moving the whole car.
I got him. Okay.
No, you didn't.
Oh, my battery's going low, I think.
Let's go save that way. There you go. Save that.
Oh, I'm completely turtled.
You want me to flip you over?
Now let's see if he can get me. Someone's coming.
Stop hitting my wheel. No, it's your fault. You keep moving.
Yay!
Hey, yo.
SCX24 is a flip
Put
fest.
cut to action.
There you go. He's up in the truck bed.
Get out of here! You're gonna keep running. I flipped you, Dad.
Oh, this is funny.
I flipped you when it flipped me.
Oh, I don't think there's anything flipping that one back over.
There might be.
Help me. Woo. I'm good, Billy. You just got me off the perfect spot. I could have gone out. You got me off the best spot.
It'd be all right, Hunter.
I can't flip.
I'm trying to help your dad real quick, and I'll be over to help you.
He's trying to kill me.
Oh! Oh no! Are they all stuck? I'm high centered.
Hey, so am I from the side. Man, look at the flex of that rear end.
I'm about to get out.
Huh?
I said, look at that flex in that rear end.
Look at mine. Look at how high mine is. Oh, I think Hunter's about got his. Oh, I thought he did. Nope, mine died. My battery's out. All right, guys, I'm gonna stop the video.